flying to Delhi for an interview, but he joins us from the airport. Nigel, tell us more. I mean, actually the fall in e-auction prices seems to be very sharp. For analysts, would this come as a surprise, or because I'm assuming they would track this on a week-on-week basis, right? Pretty regularly. Go on.
Yes. So let me just make sense of this, Prashant. There were two statements that came out from the Coal India chairperson. The one factor that he said was the Coal India production will be 10 million tons lower than what they earlier estimated. The earlier estimate on Coal India was 780 million tons, which will lose 770. But that's not a miss, because most analysts were in this vicinity of around 760 to 770 million tons. The next statement that he made, that's the one that's spooking investors. Why is that? Because e-auction prices, as a premium in comparison to FSA, if you look at it in quarter two, the e-auction premium to FSA was at around 84%. In the past quarter, that number went to 117%. So there was a big uptick in terms of premium in comparison to FSA sales. And now what they're saying is, on an average, it's come down to 45 to 50%. So that is a negative surprise, because from 117%, it's come down sharply lower. Now, the reason that e-auction prices is very important is because the cost of production, whether it's e-auction or it's FSA sales, is going to be almost the same. So bulk of the profitability of Coal India comes in from the e-auction sales, because the cost of production is the same. The selling price though is 45% higher. So that's the reason why the street is a little bit nervous. What we need to track now is how do e-auction volumes shape up. For the past quarter, it was around 8 to 10% roughly of the total volume mix. If they can get that number up, higher e-auction volumes will help to offset some part of this decline in the e-auction prices as a premium in comparison to FSA. So just want to put that out to our viewers. The reason that the street is nervous about Coal India is because the e-auction premium as a percentage of the FSA sales, that's come down to 45 to 50% in the first 2 months of the fourth quarter. And that's the reason why the street is a little bit nervous. Guys, if anything else, I could clarify.
Okay, got that, Nigel. So I guess we have to see if there's going to be any recovery, any move up in that premium or not, because it's a sharp drop, as you're saying, from the third quarter. Got it. Thank you very much. Just running into